Today we are going to make Thai raw papaya salad, which is also known as Som Tom. So for this you need one raw papaya. When you select a papaya, it should be firm so that your salad is crunchy. So first cut your papaya and peel it well. Here I am using the food processor. If you don't have a food processor, you can use a normal grater and grate the papaya in long grids. So now your papaya is completely grated. Next main ingredient which we need is peanut. Dry roast the peanuts. So when the peanut is roasted, you can see the color has changed completely. Cool it for some time and peel it. Now transfer the grated papaya to a bowl. Now add half of the lemon juice. Raw papaya is used as a meat tenderizer, so add the lemon juice and leave it for 10 minutes. Slice the tomato in thin long slices. You can even add some grated carrots also if you like. We need 2 green chilies for making our salad spicy. You can increase or decrease the amount of chili according to the spice you require. Add a lot of coriander leaves. It gives a nice smell and flavor to your salad. Now you add 2 tablespoons of honey for the sweetness. If you don't want honey, you can even add apples or pineapples cut in thin slice. add your peanut. And give it a nice mix. This Thai raw papaya salad is very good for your digestive system, which cleanses your digestive system and intestine. Add little salt in the end and then mix it finely. And give it a good mix. So now your Thai raw papaya salad or Som Tom is ready to be served. Hope you enjoyed watching this. And please don't forget to subscribe.